Welcome to Viewlo, your smart companion for discovering co-working spaces and hotels like never before. Experience places in interactive 360 virtual reality. Explore every corner on the tip of your fingers and feel the vibe before you check in. Got questions? Our AI assistant is always there with the answers. In this demo, I am going to walk you through some of the coolest new features of Viewlo that is going to transform the way where you choose to work and stay. So let's get started.
So now in this demo, we are going to see that how to navigate in the Viewlo application. So first of all, you can go to your search engine and search for Ansatzalgo, and you'll get this option of Viewlo Ansatzalgo technologies. You have to click on that, and this is the Viewlo page. So in order to access any one of these demo, the first one is co-working space demo and the second one is hotel demo. You need to first log in with Google. So either you can click here or any one of these boxes, and after you have logged in, you can go down and click one of these boxes. You can mute the background music by clicking on the mute button. Also, you can enter into the full screen preview by clicking on this button that is on the left side of the home button in the navigation panel. You can navigate across the view by dragging your mouse, and let's say there are multiple info spots on the screen. You can click any one of them to know about the object that is present there. Let's say I want to know about the ceiling, then I will click on the info spot that is present on the ceiling, and it will give me all the information about the ceiling decoration. Also, you can click on the info button in the nav bar to make these info spots disappear so that you can get a clean preview of this room. Now let's say that I want to go into the next room, then I can click any of these side buttons and it's going to take me to the next scene. So here we have arrived in the next room, and I can similarly scroll anywhere. Also, we have some of these multimedia info spots on which if you click, then you can see a video related to that surrounding. For example, here we are getting the city view. Now let's say you want to zoom in or zoom out on some particular side, then you can scroll to that part and click on the magnification button. Similarly, you can zoom out. Also fit the image to the actual preview by clicking the button that is on the right of the magnification button. So till now, whatever features we have seen, these were also present in the previous versions of Viewlo. But now we are going to see some of the additional features that has been added in this new version of Viewlo.
So now we are going to talk about a feature of Viewlo that has been added to this particular version. You can see that there's a second option which shows a finger-like symbol, and you can click on it. And once the initialization is complete, you can hover your hand in front of your laptop camera and the screen will start moving in accordance to the movement of your hand. And let's say you want to zoom in at some particular point, then you can move there, and then you can join your index finger and thumb to form a pinch-like gesture. Similarly, you can zoom out by connecting your middle finger and thumb to again form a pinch-like gesture, and the screen will zoom out.
So one of the new features that has been added in this particular version of Viewlo is the chatbot, the multilingual chatbot, and I'm going to show how exactly it's multilingual. For example, you want to ask about the let's say amenities available in this particular room. You can click on one of these options and the bot will take some time and give you the response. Similarly, I can message it and ask about the dimensions of this room. And here it will tell me the dimensions that has been already given to the bot in the knowledge base. Now if I want the same details in my, let's say, mother tongue or any other language, then I can select it from here. For now I'm going to select Hindi, and I'll ask the bot to give me the same details in this language. And here, as you can see, it has given all of the above details in Hindi language. Similarly, you can select any other language. The AI assistant has multilingual feature. So it's up to you how you want to explore it. Let's go back to the home page of Viewlo. So here we are back to the home page, and if you scroll down, then after the login you can see that there are two options to join the pilot program. So if you are a client who is searching for building these features for your co-working space or hotel or rooms, then you can opt for our pilot program and we'll get in touch with you. Either you can click here and it will guide you to the mail to option, and in case the mail to option is not enabled in your browser, then you can directly email us. Our mail id is contact@ansatzalgo.com. You can just copy from here as well. Apart from this, we are also available on LinkedIn. And let's say that you are a user who want to share their review about our pilot program, then you can check the review box here. For giving the review, you can select the options. Either you can give a general review, or if you want to ask a question. And if you find any bug, then we are free to accept the bug reports as well from the user. If you want any particular feature to be in the application, then you can give a feature request. If you want to comment about the UI UX feedback, then you can select this option. You can type in your review here and submit it. After you have sent your review, we will receive it in the admin panel and we'll get back to you soon.